Hi students, welcome to the mathematics class. Yesterday we discussed only one fundamental differential calculus form. Today we will discuss some more interesting differential calculus form regarding trigonometric differential equations. Already you know that trigonometry, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta. All of you very familiar with trigonometry. And also you know that Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole form also. Okay. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's class. Today we will learn some more difficult part of the differential calculus, that is chain rule. First I will discuss yesterday's part once again. So yesterday we discussed derivative of x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So this is most important basic fundamental differential calculus form. Derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. Then derivative of x square. So derivative of x square is 2 times x raised to 2 minus 1, that is 2x. Similarly derivative of x raised to 6, 6 times x raised to 5. And we discussed one more problem, how to solve derivative of under root x. First write under root x as index form, x raised to 1 by 2. So write x raised to 1 by 2. Now apply x raised to n form here. So write 1 by 2 as it is. Consider 1 by 2 as n. N raised to x, n into x raised to n minus 1 means 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. After simplifying, what we get? 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2. So further simplification we will get 1 divided by 2 root x. So remember this one. So today I will teach derivative of trigonometric functions. We have 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec and cot. So take a note. Derivative of sin x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. And derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. See here, derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. And I was highlighted derivative of cos, cot, cosec. I will tell afterwards. Derivative of tan x is secant square x and derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x and derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x and derivative of e raised to x is a raised to x. A raised to x is a raised to x into log a and log x is 1 by x, and remember derivative of constant term is always 0. Just see here highlighted trigonometric functions. I was highlighted here cos x, cot x and cosec x. Why? Remember students, trigonometric function starts from C. Cos starts from C, cot starts from C and cosec also starts from C. Whenever trigonometric function starts from C, that is always negative. Trigonometric function starts from C, that is always negative. See here, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Cos starts from C and answer is minus. Derivative of cot minus cosec square x. Derivative of cosec minus cosec x into cot x. So don't forget, these are the very important role played in differential calculus. Derivative of sin x is cos x is minus sin x, tan x is secant square x, cot x is minus cosecant square x, sec x is sec x into tan x, cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x, e raised to x is e raised to x, a raised to x is a raised to x into log a, log x is 1 by x and derivative of constant term is always 0. Don't forget these differential calculus forms. So already you studied in PUC first year also. Today I will teach chain rule. So chain rule is very important rule. Your exercise starts from the chain rule. First you have limits problems. After that exercise 5.2 contains chain rule. So how to study chain rule? I will show here. So already we know that derivative of root x. So what is the derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. And already you know that derivative of sin x. Just I shown here derivative of sin x. So derivative of sin x is what? So derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Then what about derivative of sin root x? Already we know that root x derivative is 1 divided by 2 root x. Similarly, root sin x derivative is 1 divided by 2 root sin x, and sin x derivative is cos x. Understood? Similarly, derivative of root of cos x. See here, derivative of root of cos x. We know that cos x derivative is minus sin x. So root cos x means 1 divided by 2 root cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. So once again I will repeat here. So derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Now see here, what happens? Derivative of root of sin x. Root of sin x is 1 divided by 2 root sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Similarly, cos x. Root of cos x is 1 divided by 2 root cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. Then tan x. Root of tan x. All of you know tan x derivative is secant square x. First write root tan x as 1 divided by 2 root tan x, and tan x derivative is secant square x. Now see here, root cos x derivative. Root cot x derivative 1 divided by 2 root cot x. 1 divided by 2 root cot x, and cot x derivative is minus cos x square x. Minus cos x square x. Here cot, this trigonometric function starts from C. This is always negative. 1 divided by 2 root cot x minus cosecant square x. Next one sec x. So derivative of sec x is 1 divided by 2 root sec x, and sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. Now tell me derivative of root of cosec x. Take a minute. What is derivative of root of cosec x? So already you know that cosec x derivative is minus cosec x into cot x. Now tell me the answer. Okay. See here, derivative of root cosec x, answer 1 divided by 2 root cosec x, and cosec x derivative is minus cosec x into cot x. Now we will discuss one more chain rule, that is the derivative of x square. Already you know that derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. See here, derivative of x square is 2x. Then what about derivative of sin square x? Same. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x. And we know that sin x derivative is cos x. See here. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of sin square x, 2 sin x into cos x. Now tell me derivative of cos square x. What will get? Derivative of cos square x. Derivative of cos square x is 2 times cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. See here, derivative of cos square x is 2 times cos x. Derivative of cos square x is 2 times cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Now tell me derivative of tan square x, what we get? So derivative of tan square x is 2 times tan x, and tan x derivative is secant square x. After that we have to try secant square x and cosec square x. Try these two trigonometric functions derivative, secant square x and cosecant square x. I will give answers tomorrow. Now once again derivative of x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. Now what happens? Derivative of 1 divided by x. So 1 divided by x, first write 1 by x as x raised to minus 1 and apply here x raised to n form, n into x raised to n minus 1. So minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1, that becomes a minus 1 into x raised to minus 2. So further simplification, derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 divided by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 divided by x square. Similarly, derivative of sin x. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by sin x minus 1 by sin square x. Sin x derivative cos x. So derivative of 1 by sin x minus 1 by sin square x. Sin x derivative cos x. Similarly, tan x minus 1 by tan square x. Tan x derivative secant square x. So remember, don't forget these 6 trigonometric function differential forms. So already we studied root x derivative 1 divided by 2 root x and e raised to x derivative e raised to x. So 11th see here, under root e raised to x. So under root e raised to x, 1 divided by 2 times e raised to x into e raised to x. And one more, derivative of e raised to x bracket square, 2 times e raised to x into e raised to x. That means 2 times e raised to x bracket square. So don't forget, once again I will repeat all the differential calculus forms. First one is the sin x derivative is cos x, and cos x derivative is minus sin x. Tan x derivative is secant square x. Cot x derivative is minus cosecant square x. Sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. Cosec x in derivative is minus cosec x into cot x. So after that we have 3 important derivative forms. One is e raised to x, a raised to x and log x. E raised to x derivative is e raised to x, a raised to x derivative is a raised to x into log a, and log x derivative is 1 by x. Constant term derivative is 0. Remember, derivative of constant term is always 0. Derivative of log x is 1 by x, a raised to x, a raised to x. Okay. So this is today's class. Next class I will discuss some more interesting concept regarding differential calculus.